Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll share with you a new high potential layer 1 testnet project which is still in a very early phase. And the name of the project is DAC Quantum Chain. They already have 72k followers, building a strong community. And if you check their pin post, they clearly mention that their testnet is now live and you can participate now to qualify for the future airdrop. So what do they offer? DAC Quantum Chain is a special type of blockchain that is designed to stay secure even against future quantum computers, while helping people safely manage money, digital assets and data without creating extra coins over time. If you want more information about their project, then you can visit their website. I'll show you how you can participate in their testnet, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. Most importantly, you need to join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto news and airdrop updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. There you'll find this page link. After landing here, you'll see the golden badge claim is still live and you only have 2 days left to claim it, so don't miss joining now. To join, click on enter inception. Then you can sign up using email or connect with a wallet. Here I will connect using a wallet. You need to connect any EVM wallet, so I'd select MetaMask here. Click on connect, then confirm the request and wait a bit. Then you will finally land on the main airdrop page. For account creation, you instantly receive 110 QE points. Also, here you will see the early batch which will end in a few days. You must collect this early batch before it ends. If you do it within the time, you will receive the early batch along with a 1.2x multiplier. Click on claim batch to claim it and you will also receive instant points. Then click on the badge section. Here you will see lots of different badges. There are 105 total badges you can earn by completing tasks. Then go to the My Activity section. Here you will see your DAC points, your total QE points, your ranking, etc. In the My Activity section, you will find on-chain and social tasks that you need to complete. For social tasks, you need to complete basic steps such as verifying your email and following their X profile and etc. For the on-chain task, there are many different tasks. For example, the first drip task, what you need to do is claim faucet. Go to the faucet section. And to claim it, you need to connect your social accounts first. Click on link X, then authorize. Then click on claim. And it's done. After that, click on claim again. If you can't claim instantly, then try again after a few minutes. You will also find other activity tasks that you can complete. There are daily streak tasks as well, so you need to log in every day to complete them. If you want, I can create a separate video to complete all these tasks. If you want that video, then write yes in the comment section. Then in the QE pool section, if you exchange one DAC, you will receive 1000 QE points. Here you can also deposit, withdraw and claim as well. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.